Understanding, Offer Counsel, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, offer counsel, in English. This is a common phrase, especially in professional and formal contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your communication skills. So, let's dive in. The phrase, offer counsel, is made up of two words, offer and counsel. Offer means to present or give something to someone. Counsel, on the other hand, refers to advice or guidance, especially given formally. So, when you offer counsel, you are essentially providing advice or guidance to someone. Offer counsel is often used in professional or formal situations. It's a phrase you might hear in a business meeting, a legal setting, or when someone is seeking expert advice. Here are a few examples. A lawyer might offer counsel to their client about a legal matter. In a business meeting, a senior manager might offer counsel on the company's strategy. A mentor could offer counsel to a mentee about career choices. Remember, when offering counsel, it's important to be respectful and considerate of the other person's situation and feelings. The context in which offer counsel is used can greatly affect its meaning. For instance, if a friend is offering counsel, it might be more informal and personal. In a professional setting, however, the advice is likely to be more formal and possibly related to expertise or experience. Always pay attention to who is offering the counsel and in what situation to fully understand the meaning. Offer counsel is a valuable phrase to understand and use, especially in formal and professional settings. It's about providing guidance or advice and is a key part of effective communication. I hope this explanation helps you feel more confident in using and understanding this phrase. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.